Hi everyone, today I will show you how to do the laundry with 52 essential life skills. Today I'm going to do my laundry, my brother's laundry, and I'm going to charge my brother $5 for my services. Step 1 is to organize the dark colors and the light colors. Let's start with the dark colors first. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to check the pockets before you put it in. One time my brother had a bunch of coins in his pockets and the load was all jingly. One time my sister left a pen inside her pants and the pen opened and then ink went all over her clothes. Oh, this is my favorite shirt. I definitely don't want it to get ruined. Make sure you don't load the washer too full or nothing gets cleaned. Always check the labels on your clothes for washing instructions. Since I don't have any delicate clothes, I wash it warm. Most of my clothes are cotton. You have to put it to the warm cycle. And then you have to put in the detergent. In this case, I would put it below max. And then you click stop. Now that the dirty clothes are washed, you have to transfer it to the dryer. But make sure you click off. And before you transfer it, you have to clean the lint trap. Here's the cotton setting, so I prefer very dry. Next, we start loading. And now you have to put the lint sheet inside of the dryer. And then we start. Once the clothes are dry, take them out quickly so they don't get wrinkles. And if you want to see more of me, then watch me fold clothes.